how to turn in debug mode on Sonic 2 on the little device edition, if you know what I mean, like the phone, iOS, Android, all that stuff. So what you're going to do is you're just going to normally get in here, start game. When you get here, don't just press no save mode, because if you press any new game, it's not going to work. So yeah, choose any character you want, and I personally like Knuckles the best because he's pretty cool. And when you get, you tap all the words of Sega, and then you hold down on the screen with 2 fingers, and then this pops up. So I know that went pretty fast because you need to be quick about it, but I'm going to say it again, so it was really fast. So what you're going to do then, again, you're just going to press no save mode. Then it's going to pop up a Sega. When Sonic is done running on the Sega, then you press all the words of Sega. Like you press the S, then you press the E, then you press the G. I always get mixed up with those. You press the S, then the E, then the G, then the A, with all at once. Not all at once, but you press them one by one with your thumb, any finger. And then once you hear a ring sound, you hold down on the screen with 2 fingers or 2 thumbs or whatever you want to do. And then just keep holding down until this pops up. And then when this pops up, you go over here, go all the way down here, and then you put in 1, 2 9s, then 2. So it's like 1992, honestly. And then if you hear a ring, it's pretty cool. So just choose any act, doesn't matter which one. And then all you gotta do is see the rings, the blinking rings in the top corner, and the score, the time. All you gotta do is just click any one of those, and then you turn into a ring. But then see these addition, subtraction signs? Well, that means you can go to different ones using it. You can just put down any of these things, as many of these things as you want. And it shows different things for every single act you go through. So like on Chemical Plant, it'll show different little animatronic things here. This is from like an old version of Sonic, and they just didn't put it in. It's supposed to be one of those. And to place it, you do the jump button, and then move around, and like fly around. And yeah, these guys are like those. Then when they see you, they're like those ladybug things from the Sonic 1. See, they just run at you. But they're just from a very old version of Sonic. But yeah, you can place down whatever you want to place down. Shield, fast, alive. This is super version, so you can just place down as many of these as you want. And then we'll just go to super mode or whatever. So shield, place that down. Remember, you can place as many down as you want. And the best way to get as many rings as you possibly can is by using the super box, because it gives you 50 rings, so you can turn into super mode. And then there's the invincibility, fast, life. Place down as many of those as you want. And I placed down a lot of these. So now Super Knuckles. And if you've placed down a lot and you want to just get it all over with, just spin dash on it and just get through them all, and then you get all the goodies. And the maximum amount of rings you can possibly have is, there it is, 999. It was in the rings, it said 999. Then you can actually get 100 pies on here, except it'll just say 00, that means 100, but yeah. Oh, look at the life thing. It says KTE, but if you look beside, it's like Pink Knuckles. pink Knuckles. There is. See, now on the life box it's pink Knuckles because it's supposed to be white, but it turned maximum white and it looks like a female version of Knuckles. Oh, female version of Knuckles. Now I think about it, what if he just doesn't turn white? What if he just turns pink instead? Like, just turns pink. Alright, you can place down as many of these as you want. I don't know if you can place them down all like that. Let's see. No, you can't. At least I don't think so, can you? Yep, you sure can. Then you can place down all these guys. Everything, anything you want. And it's all based on whatever act you're on to what all these things would be. So I'm just going to instantly get past the act by using the sign or the big machine thing. That just makes you instantly get past the act if you want to do that. This springs. I honestly love this spring because it's crazy. Look at it, just. Oh my gosh. And it landed directly on another spring. It's crazy. But then, yeah. Just use no one else and you go flying. Usually only on, it works, and then it landed directly on another spring. And directly on springs here. Usually these springs work best on Emerald Hill Zone because, I mean, you see there's like nothing always up there all the time. It's not like crazy. Whee! Oh, and then down directly on the monkey. Down directly on another monkey. And then it's the end. But debug mode honestly is sweet. Once you learn how to like do it pretty well, then it's like you're a pro at the game and you can just once you learn how to do it, it's easy peasy. Trust me, it's really, really easy. Sorry if my voice is just really like not happy. I just woke up not even about 2 hours ago, so yeah. What's happening? Yep, it's an ad. What the heck is the glitched out like? Well, I'm just gonna go to chemical plant zone because remember, the items would always change, except for the springs and the spikes. But these things are like invisible. They're like, see, just invisible things. Dang, it's so laggy. Because the things will like always change. Oh yeah, and when you're here, you can't like move around or in debug mode or anything like that, but it's not like that forever. The next act, everything is just fine. Alright, see, everything is fine. So, now you can see how things changed from last time. Because remember, last time, there wasn't this stuff. The things that's in the debug mode will always change for every single act or zone or every single different place you go to. And I also like doing this because the only points you get. Oops. So you get a lot of score for that. These dumb doors. This is just really cool. There's another thing that's never been did. Hey. Yeah, that's pretty much that.